Hi kids! Today let's learn about animals and their little ones. Cat. The little one of cat is called kitten. Here you can see cat and its kittens. Dog. The little one of dog is called puppy. Here you can see dog and its puppy. Cow. The little one of cow is called calf. Here you can see the cow and its calf. Goat. The little one of goat is called kid. Here you can see the goat and its kid. Sheep. The little one of sheep is called lamb. Here you can see sheep and its lamb. Horse. The little one of horse is called foal. Here you can see horse and its foal. Lion. The little one of lion is called cub. Here you can see lion and its cub. Duck. The little one of duck is called duckling. Here you can see duck and its ducklings. Frog. The little one of frog is called tadpole. Here you can see frog and its tadpoles. Pig. The little one of pig is called piglet. Here you can see pig and its piglets. Deer. The little one of deer is called fawn. Here you can see deer and its fawn. Kangaroo. The little one of kangaroo is called joy. Here you can see kangaroo and its joy. Fox. The little one of fox is called kit or cub. Here you can see fox and its kit. Owl. The little one of owl is called owlet. Here you can see owl and its owlets. Monkey. The little one of monkey is called infant. Here you can see monkey and its infant. Hey kids, let's see how smart you are. Let's do a small exercise. Say the names of the little ones when you see the names of the animals. I hope the little champs answered it all right. Thanks for watching.